Hey y'all! Are you ready to turn your passion for crafting into a money-making venture? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do just that by creating and selling DIY craft kits and hosting workshops. Let's dive in! First up, DIY craft kits. These are a fantastic way to share your crafting skills with the world and make some cash while you're at it. Start by picking a craft you love and know well. It could be anything from macrame to candle making. Gather your supplies and package them up with clear, step-by-step instructions. Don't forget to add a personal touch, maybe a little handwritten thank you note or a unique packaging style. This not only makes your kit stand out, but also helps build a connection with your customers. Now, where do you sell these kits? You've got options. Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and even your own website are great places to start. Social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook are perfect for showcasing your creations and driving traffic to your shop. And remember, beautiful, high-quality photos and videos of your kits in action are key to attracting buyers. Next, let's talk workshops. Hosting workshops can be incredibly rewarding, both personally and financially. You can host them in person at local community centers, cafes, or even your own home. Or, if you prefer the digital route, online workshops via Zoom or other platforms work just as well. To get customers for your workshops, spread the word through social media, local bulletin boards, and word of mouth. Offer a free mini workshop or a special discount for first-time attendees to attract interest. Once people see how fun and engaging your workshops are, they're more likely to come back for more and bring their friends along. Now, let's chat about pricing. For DIY craft kits, research similar products to see what they're charging. Typically, prices range from $20 to $50 depending on the complexity and materials included. For workshops, you can charge anywhere from $25 to $100 per person, depending on the length and materials provided. So how much can you make? Well, it varies, but many crafters report making a few hundred to several $1,000s a month from kits and workshops combined. The key is consistency and building a loyal customer base. To sum it all up, turning your crafting passion into a business with DIY craft kits and workshops is not only possible but also incredibly fulfilling. Start with what you love, market wisely, price it right, and watch your crafting business grow. Thanks for watching and happy crafting. See y'all next time.